Hey everyone, welcome back. So you opened CapCut, everything looked fine, and then suddenly you got hit with a server error message. And now you're stuck not knowing if it's your phone, your internet, or CapCut itself that's causing the problem. This one's actually a bit different from a regular network error because it usually points to something happening on CapCut's side rather than yours. So before jumping into the fixes, let's break down what actually causes this and how to tell if it's really a server issue or something else pretending to be one. A server error in CapCut basically means the app tried to reach CapCut servers to load something, like an effect, a template, your cloud projects, or even just to log you in, and the server either didn't respond, was too busy, or was temporarily down. The most common cause of this is server-side maintenance or downtime. CapCut, just like any big app, regularly performs updates and maintenance on its backend, and during that window, features that rely on the cloud simply stop responding. Another major cause is server overload, and this happens a lot more than people realize. Whenever a trend blows up on TikTok or Instagram and everyone rushes to use the same filter, effect, or template at the same time, CapCut servers can get overwhelmed trying to handle that traffic, which leads to server errors for a lot of users all at once. There have also been cases of larger infrastructure issues, like actual data center outages, which don't just affect CapCut but other apps under the same company as well. And when that happens, there's genuinely nothing you can do on your end except wait it out. Now, on top of these true server-side causes, there are also some things on your device that can look exactly like a server error but actually aren't. A misbehaving VPN or proxy can block your connection to CapCut servers and trigger the same message. A corrupted DNS cache on your computer or phone can prevent your device from properly finding CapCut servers at all. And an outdated app version can sometimes fail to communicate properly with updated servers, producing the same error even though the servers themselves are running just fine. So really, before assuming it's 100% CapCut's fault, it's worth ruling out these local causes first, because a lot of the time, the fix is actually on your end. Alright, let's go through the fixes step by step. First things first, check whether it's actually a widespread outage. Head over to a site like Down Detector or check CapCut's official social media accounts and search to see if other users are reporting the same server error around the same time. If there's a clear spike in reports, then it's genuinely a server-side issue, and the only real fix is to wait, usually anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on how serious the outage is. But if it looks like you're the only one affected, then it's time to check your own setup. Start with your internet connection. Confirm it's stable by opening another app or website, and if it's weak, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or try your mobile hotspot instead. Next, if you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off completely and try CapCut again, since these are one of the most common things that get mistaken for a server error. After that, check for app updates in your App Store, because outdated versions can struggle to communicate with CapCut's current servers. If updating doesn't help, clear CapCut's cache from your device settings, which forces the app to rebuild a fresh connection instead of relying on old, possibly corrupted data. On desktop, it's also worth resetting your DNS resolver cache, or simply switching your DNS to Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1, since a corrupted DNS cache can genuinely block your device from reaching CapCut servers even when everything else looks fine. If none of that works, go ahead and do a full uninstall and reinstall of the app, which clears out any deep corrupted files a simple cache clear might have missed. And finally, if you've tried everything and it's still not working, open CapCut, go to Settings, then Feedback, and report the issue directly so their support team can look into whether it's something specific to your account or region. So to wrap things up, first check if it's a real outage using Down Detector or CapCut social pages, and if it's not widespread, work through your own connection, VPN, app version, cache, and DNS settings one by one. Most server errors clear up within a few minutes, either because CapCut resolves the issue on their end or because one of these local fixes gets your connection working properly again. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more CapCut troubleshooting videos, and let me know in the comments if it was a real outage or a fix on your end. See you in the next one.